Hi there. Carrying stress on your shoulders? Let's gently release that tension together. Let's start with cow-cat position. Breathe slowly and gently. Breathe into your nose. Breathe out of your nose. Cactus pose, and then let's do the eagle arms pose. Your right arm will be underneath the left arm. Stretch. Back, let's bend together. Count. Stretch up. 3 breaths. Release. On the other side, let's do the cactus pose again. And this time, your left arms will be on top of the right arm. So, three breaths. Slowly bend. Count 8. Slowly move upwards. 3 breaths here. And slowly release. Raise your arms upwards. And then bend slowly, letting yourself go. 8 counts. Move upwards slowly. Take a deep breath into your nose. Breathe out to your mouth. Now let's twist our shoulders. Other side. Place your right arm on top of your shoulders, the other arm at the back of the chair, and then tilt your head on the opposite side. Don't forget to breathe. 8 counts. Slowly release. Now let's do the other side. center, left, center. Your chin down, center, look up to the ceiling, center. One more time. Place your arms behind your head and then look down. Count 1 to 8. Return to center and release. Once more. Now clasp your hands behind your back. Look up and stretch. Take a deep breath. Pause. Okay, so does your shoulders feel better after today's practice?